Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now I'm a little late to the game here, I just got this today. Lots of other folks on YouTube already unboxing these and doing all sorts of tests, but I don't get the luxury of getting things on the day of release, and I had to get this myself, so I just got it. Again, yeah, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max in Graphite, and this is the 256 gigabyte version, and this is an AT&T phone, so it's not unlocked. It has AT&T service. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, just to look at it, maybe do a size comparison with the Galaxy Note20 Ultra, which I have been using as my daily driver phone, and just see how this compares size-wise, weight-wise, that sort of thing. And then, obviously, I'll probably be using this for other videos in the future. So maybe for some camera tests, some photos, some videos, that sort of thing, as well as probably some case fitment tests and all sorts of different cases and accessories for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we'll just kind of rip this open and kind of get going. So now, the one thing that's interesting, obviously, this year is that Apple did change the way they're doing their packaging. So this is very different than the typical Apple box, the bigger Apple box that you get in the past. Now, obviously, one of the reasons for that is they're not including any accessories really with the device at all, which kind of sucks. So you're really only getting the phone itself and a charging cable, but no power brick, no ear pods, no anything else. Now, you know, whether that's truly Apple being conscious of pollution and waste, I don't know. I know a lot of people that, you know, their Apple cables and the chargers are kind of disposable, I guess, at some point. Some of mine are broken. I've lost some. The cables get broken. It's always good to have a nice extra pair of headphones, ear pods. So I always looked forward to actually getting, you know, another charging brick, another set of ear pods, just so I could have them and have extras, right? So it's nice from that perspective. And really, I think, you know, it's about Apple wanting to save some money on their end. They're not making these phones any cheaper, right? I mean, they're not giving you a discount for not giving you the charger and no other accessories. They're still charging actually more than the past. So it's kind of a, you know, for a company that's like $2 trillion, you know, sort of valuation, I mean, I think they could give you some extra accessories and not be so stingy, but whatever. So as you open this up, right away, the phone is right there. Now, this is the Graphite one. I don't know if I mentioned that. And it does look really nice. I do have to say. This comes with a white piece of paper on the screen, power button on that side, your ring silent switch here, volume, SIM tray. And pull this off, and then you have the phone. And I do have to say, you know, kind of right off the bat, I do like the feel of this phone. I mean, I like the sharp edges. It's reminiscent of the older, you know, iPhone models of the past before they switched over to the rounded corners and all of that. And I really like it. I like the frosted glass on the back. It looks really nice. It's not super shiny. It looks pretty cool. Camera module is pretty beefy on this thing. But, you know, this phone just looks really, really sharp, really nice. Obviously, already a fingerprint magnet with all the surgical stainless steel on the sides. Got your speakers, your lightning plug at the bottom. Yeah, I mean, overall, it's a very, very nice phone, a nice feeling phone. I love the fact that now the glass is flat across there. So for things like screen protectors, they'll be easier to put on. They can fully cover the front of the device versus where on some of the other ones where the rounded edges, you got to kind of deal with that. So it's nice that it's flat. I do like kind of flat glass. Overall, it feels substantial, feels really nice. And you get a little package with your SIM ejection tool, Apple sticker, a little booklet, a couple pages on the iPhone. Get your USB-C to Lightning cable, and then that's all. That's all it's in here. So you get your cable, one little package with the SIM ejection tool, some information, and that's it. So I will turn this on. Kind of while I'm doing that, kind of put it up to the Note20 Ultra. Now from that perspective, the Note20 Ultra is a little bit taller, a little bit taller than the iPhone 12 Pro. It's probably a little bit thinner. So if you looked at the width or the thickness of this, it does look a little thinner, a little bit shorter, and I don't want to scratch these by touching them together. But it's about the same width. So basically they're about the same width, but it's a little bit shorter and a little bit thinner than the Galaxy Note20 Ultra. Now, like I said, I've been using this one as my primary phone for the last, I don't know, few months since it kind of came out. I got a dbrand skin on here, which, as you can tell, some of the coloring from my jeans or something has worn off on the dbrand skin around this. So this looks like a little bit of a different color than the back because I have a case on here. So again, if you looked at the other video on the dbrand skins, something to consider if you ever get a white, it can get dirty. But anyways, yeah, so from a size perspective, again, about the same size, a little thinner, a little shorter, about the same width. Now just from a perspective of weight, the Galaxy Note20 Ultra on my scale here is about 7.65 ounces. The iPhone on that same scale is 8.15 ounces. It's a little heavier. I don't know if this is accurate or not, so don't quote me on those weights, but this is heavier than the Galaxy Note 20. So yeah, I'm going to put my information in. I got to activate this, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, just quick comparison on the size versus the Galaxy Note 20, and show what the Graphite looks like. And then I'll obviously be doing some more videos in the future on the channel featuring this phone. So anyways, that's all I wanted to do here. No big deal, just quick unboxing, quick look at what you get, quick look at the device, etc. If you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.